This is the reason why 95% of TikTok accounts do not grow. What will make or break you on TikTok is what most people refer to as the mighty TikTok algorithm. The TikTok algorithm is what will either make you famous or destroy your hopes and dreams. But do not fear, because you can make the TikTok algorithm actually work for you. And in this video, we are going to cover a strategy that's going to help the TikTok algorithm actually work for you and increase your engagement and views. You may hear people say, make great videos and you will go viral on TikTok guaranteed. Well, that's actually not the case. There is actually a strategy behind it, and even if you make the best videos in the world, you still might not go viral. Another common thing I hear a lot of creators say is they're not getting any views anymore. This is because you did not follow one of the essential things I'm about to talk about in this video, aka the pillars, which we're about to get into right now. Of course, being a content creator is not for everyone, but using the pillar strategy is going to help you a ton. Just like a coliseum, you need pillars to hold it up. Without the pillars, the coliseum will fall to the ground. The same thing works when creating content on TikTok. This is because in this case, your success on TikTok is the coliseum. But without the pillars, the whole coliseum will collapse, leaving you with nothing but your dreams crushed and your soul crushed. So you might be asking yourself, what are the TikTok pillars to success? The number one pillar is to have a niche. That is going to be the first pillar to success on TikTok. Some of the most successful creators on TikTok will post about one specific topic consistently. They don't do this because they always enjoy it. They do it because they know it works. They also know TikTok is going to find their audience a lot easier if they post about a specific topic. That is because the TikTok algorithm will pick up on what type of content they're posting consistently and push it out to that specific audience. If you post about different niches, it's gonna screw you up bad. And the main reason why is because when you're posting about different niches, TikTok's gonna be like, what is this guy posting about? And will not know where to push your content to. And worst case scenario, you go viral with a different topic from your main niche, and all of a sudden you're gaining a bunch of followers that will not like your future content. In order to find your niche on TikTok, you should ask yourself these three questions. What are you passionate about? Think of things you like to do in your free time and that you feel comfortable teaching others about. The next question is, what is your dream audience? Think about the type of people you want to be following you. Are they into sports, fitness, or musicals? The third question is, what can you post about consistently 3 to 4 times a day without getting bored of? Answer those 3 questions and you will have your niche. When it comes to consistency on TikTok, there's no one size that fits all. Because of the fact, depending on your niche, it's going to be harder to post more consistently if, let's say, I'm in the art niche compared to the comedy niche. That's because one is much more time consuming than the other. However, we recommend posting around 3 to 4 times per day so your audience does not forget about you and you leave an impact on their day. Now, if you're just starting out, you want to even post more. This is because you need to gain that traction in order to, gain those followers and views. So you're going to need to post a little bit more. Once you've built that solid base, then you can start cutting back a little bit and posting less. However, no matter what, make sure that your posts are engaging, creative, and relevant to your target audience. Because as long as you're putting out quality content, your followers will stick around for more of your content. Here is one of the most important pillars to success on TikTok, and that is posting at the right times. Posting at the right times is one of the most underappreciated TikTok hacks. This is because posting at those times when most people are active from your account specifically is going to basically just boost your post right away. But if you post at a time when your target audience isn't online, you're gonna be at a disadvantage right as soon as you post your video. In order to find the best times to post for your specific account, just go to your profile and click the lines in the top right, go over to Creator Tools, then go into your analytics, go over to your content, and you look at your top posts that were trending in the last few days, kind of look at when they were posted at. And you can kind of get a rough idea of what time is best for you, or you can go into your followers and see when your followers are most active to determine the best time to post for your specific account. The final pillar I'm about to mention is the lifeline of your TikTok account. If this one falls, all the other pillars fall and the coliseum falls down hard. So you gotta make sure you really focus on this last pillar I'm about to tell you. The last content pillar is going to be do not quit. I know it's cliche, but it means a lot here. A lot of people are going to quit on TikTok because, their views either decrease or they just don't get enough views. So they'll just quit right away. But what's going to make a difference for you is that you're not going to quit. And for those who have been struggling on TikTok, I know you're thinking, Alex, wouldn't it just be better if I quit because I'm wasting time? Well, I'll just say no to that, because if you follow all the pillars that I just listed off, you are doing the right thing, so do not quit and just keep going. It's easy to quit when things get hard, so just don't quit. It's really that simple. Follow the pillars I listed up above and just keep going. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for staying to the very end, and if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe for more content just like this. Take care.